can see around their neck. One's got a really thick one, one's got a really thin one. Are they making that sound or?
Yes, they are making the sound weird.
Be careful, it's a...
Oh,
Yeah.
they bite you?
Yeah, they're trying to attack you probably. They're probably going to nest around here.
Oh shit, they
That's
got
why
a
they're
nest
getting
here.
defensive.
Yeah.
Look how big their eyes are, isn't it so cool?
Yeah. This is like a fish. Did you ask your friend why he's here? Like, is he living around here?
Oh, it must be, I sent them.
Hey, Mosey!
Nick's so mean.
What?
Because he's a bit as big as a planet, that's what he's implying, so he's got his own gravity.
I've never had anyone has the nickname with their last names.
Really?
Yeah. Look at their... Oh, I can tell. One's got a bigger head too. Look.
Yeah.
This one's got a bigger head.
The one on the left is way bigger than the one on the right.
So it must be male and female, smaller figure. Color's different.
Wow, it's like one of those